Hello everyone, welcome back to channel. Ever built an app that works perfectly on your machine but completely breaks on someone else's? Yes, we have all been there. That's exactly the problem Docker was made to solve. Docker lets you run your apps the same no matter where you are, whether it's your laptop, your teammate's system, or the cloud. It's fast, it's reliable, and it's changing the way developers build and deploy software. So let's see why every developer should start using Docker. Before Docker, every developer's setup was a mess. Each dev had their own environment, their own dependencies, their own versions. Developer 1's app runs perfectly fine. Developer 2 says, wait, it's not working on my system. Different libraries, different configurations, same code, total chaos. And when it's time to deploy, it breaks again. This is what we call dependency hell, where software runs on one machine but fails on another. But don't worry, this is exactly the problem Docker solves next. Now here is where Docker really shines. Instead of setting up dependencies manually every time, Docker packages everything your app needs into one clean container. That means your code, your dependencies, even the operating system layer, all bundled together. Once built, this container can run anywhere, on Mac, Linux, or even in the cloud. And it will behave exactly the same way every single time. That's the power of Docker's portability. Build once, run anywhere. So what makes Docker containers so special? Let's compare them to traditional virtual machines. On the left, a virtual machine includes everything: the app, a full guest operating system, plus the host OS underneath. That means it's heavy, takes up more space, and is slower to start. Now look at the containers on the right. They share the same operating system kernel, and each container only holds the app and its dependencies. Result: containers are smaller, faster, and way more portable. That's why developers love them. You can spin up dozens in seconds. Behind the scene, Docker uses an engine that builds, ships, and runs container from your commands. With just one line, your app runs inside a clean, isolated container. No more config nightmares. And that's Docker in action. With just a few commands, you can build, ship, and run apps anywhere, faster than ever. Whether you are coding solo or deploying at scale, Docker makes it simple, consistent, and lightning fast. So what are you waiting for? Start using Docker today and level up your developer workflow. Follow and subscribe Coding Octane for more quick, powerful dev power-ups. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.